Hello everyone, my name is Isha Khandelwal. I'm a student at Jaipuria Institute of Management, specializing in finance and marketing. The college has opened up the world of opportunity for me. The electives offered have been very crucial in preparing me for the dynamic and complex world of finance. We have been offered many courses like equity analysis and portfolio management, corporate valuation, financial derivatives. These all have helped me to build my strong financial knowledge and also helped me to develop my financial analysis and decision-making skills. Through practical projects and real-world case studies, I have been able to apply my theoretical knowledge to real-life financial challenges. Other electives like investment banking, Fintech, and wealth management have given me an edge by exposing me to the latest financial innovation and market trends. The rigorous curriculum and exposure to industry experts that we get here have made me confident in my abilities to navigate this fast evolving field. Currently, I'm placed at BlackRock in the role FP&A. Now I'm looking forward to all the limitless opportunities in the corporate world. Thanks to Jaipuria, I now feel ready to take on leadership role in the financial sector. I am limitless at Jaipuria.